Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today I'm going to show you how to do the cable cast on. For this tutorial I'm using my 4.5mm needles and a number 4 worsted weight yarn. Okay, we'll start with a slip knot on our needle. This will count as the first stitch, so I'm putting it on my left hand needle. And then I'm going to take my right needle and insert it into the front leg here of this stitch, knitwise from front to back there. Wrap the yarn around, pull that loop up and through, pull it up a little long, twist it, and slide it onto the left-hand needle. Now I'm going to insert my right needle tip between the two stitches there. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull it up long, twist it, and slide it back onto the left-hand needle. And I'm just going to keep repeating that, always inserting my needle in between the two stitches, not into the stitch, but between them. Twisting it and sliding it back on the needle. It makes a really nice sturdy edge that is pretty. It's not very stretchy. It's very similar to the knitted cast on, and that one is stretchier, which you make by, I went into the leg as if to knit. That's how you do the knitted cast on. So we're going in between for the cable cast on, which is similar to the knitted cast on, but not the same. Okay, I'm going to slow it down for you here and go real slow. You just keep repeating those steps to cast on as many stitches as you need. And that's the cable cast on.